Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to disable ad blocker on Google. So Google has a built-in ad blocker that can change or you can modify to different websites and all. And this can be accessed by going through this small locked button on the top left corner of the screen. So let's say we are currently here on YouTube and it shows us some ads that we don't want to see. That let's say we press on something and then suddenly some ads pop up, which normally does not happen on YouTube. Let's be honest. But let's just put YouTube in as an example for now. You need to click on this lock button up here and just, as you can see, it's currently allowed by default. This pop-ups and redirects. These are also what how the ad blockers work basically. If that's enabled, then basically you're enabling the ad blocker, and if you disable it, it disables the ad blocker. And now you need to do is just reload for the changes to take effect, and now you should be able to start seeing some ads pop up in like different parts of the screen. But usually you cannot see that in YouTube as much anymore because it's like part of the videos. If you want to return the ad blocker, just do the opposite of what we did, and it should bring it back to its normal or like default settings earlier. Just reload again and everything should be fine. That is how you enable or disable the ad blocker on Google or Google tabs to be specific. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.